Guys, my name is Neil with Mason Auto Sales LLC, located in Cortland, Ohio. Our zip code is 44410. Today I bring you this short video of our 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This one came from a small department. It runs great. It has 160,000 miles. I personally bought this car and drove it back to my lot. About a 4-hour drive. Every option works. AC, heat. It's in great shape. Price is great. Give us a call for more information. Any questions about pricing? Make a short video. Tires are in great shape. No leaks. No mechanical issues. Like I said, our number is 330-333-5931. If you have any questions, please give us a call. If you need even if you need advice, if you're looking to buy a P71, feel free to call me. I'll be more than glad to help you out. We'll give you certain points that you should consider when you're looking for a P71 and if you decide to buy it. Thank you guys so much. Bye.